Hello and what's up guys, how are you? I am fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel The Math Bunny. In this video we will learn to multiply a cyclic permutation. Okay, if we have been given some cyclic permutation, then we will learn in this video how to multiply them. Okay, suppose the permutation, cyclic permutation, we have been given f is equal to 2 3. Okay, f is equal to 2 3. Okay, bracket close. Here the image of 2 is 3 and the image of 3 is 2. This is cyclic permutation. Okay, now let us take another cyclic permutation g 1 4 5, in which symbol are 1 4 5. Here the length of this permutation is 3 1 2 3. Okay, now we will multiply this and this. First of all, you can multiply directly this or this. Okay, this and this you can multiply, okay, directly, but just for this you will have to practice a lot. Okay, practice of lot this type of question I am telling you. Okay, first convert this into this. Okay, let us take 1 2 3 4. You can take as many symbols you want, and as it is not given in the question that whether it is 6 symbol 5 symbol. Okay, then as it is not given in question, so you can write as many as symbol you want. Here we are writing at least 6 symbol. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 symbol. Okay, now here the image of 2 is 3. Okay, the image of 2 is 3, so we will write here 3, and the image of 3 is 2. Okay, so we will write the image of 3 2. Okay, as here in f we have not been given any information, so the image of 4 will be 4 and 5 will be 5. Okay, and the image of 6 will be 6 and the image of 1 will be 1. Okay, now in the same way we can also make this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 6. Okay, 6 symbols. Here we will make also the cyclic permutation of g. Okay, now the image of 1 is 4. Okay, the image of 1 is 4. The image of 4 is 5. The image of 4 is 5. The image of 5 is again 6. Okay, the image of 5 will be again 6, as it is a cyclic permutation. Okay, so the image of 4 will be again 1. Okay, the image of the image of 5 will be 1. Sorry for this. Now as we have not been given any data regarding 2 3 6, so the image of 6 will be 6 and the image of 3 will be 3 and the image of 2 will be 2. Okay, now we will multiply this and this. We will multiply this and this, and we will see what is the answer. Let multiply this. Okay, and we are doing fg. Okay, as we are doing fg, so we will take first g term. Okay, this is g. Okay, we will take first g. Okay, then we will take f. Okay, so now we will multiply fg. Okay, so we will first see g. The image of 1 is 4. Okay, the image of 1 is first we will write here 1 2 3 4 5 6, as we are doing this cyclic permutation to 6 symbol. Okay, now the image of here, the image of 1 is 4. Okay, the image of 1 is 4 and the image of here 4 is 4, again 4. Okay, so here we will write 4. The image of 2 is 2 and in this cyclic permutation image of 2 is 3, so we will write 3. Okay, the image of 3 is 3 and here 3 is 2, we will write here 2. Image of 4 is 5 and here image of 5 is 5. Okay, so here we will write 5. The image of 5 is here 1 and here image of 1 is 1. Here we write hence 1. Here image of 6 is 6 and in the f the image of 6 is again 6, so we will write 6. Okay, now we can convert this into this. See, the image of 1 is 4, so we will write 4. The image of again 4 is 5, so we will write here 5. The image of 5 is again 1, so as we can see 1 already have been written, so as we can see this is a cyclic permutation, so we will close the bracket. One cycle is complete as we can see. Now 1 4 5 it is done. Okay, now we will make the cycle of left permutation, left symbol, sorry. So here we have been left with 2. Okay, now we will write this the mapping of 2 is 3 and the mapping of 3 is 2, so this is a complete cycle. Okay, now the left symbol is 6. As we can see 6, their image of 6 is 6. Okay, so this is alone as we can see. Now 6, as we can see this is a single symbol, so this will be called identity element. So again we can simplify it into this, and this is our answer. Okay, so this is our FG. Okay, thank you.